Toastmasters International stands tall on four core values: I, integrity; R, respect; S, service; E, excellence. I believe along with these four values, there is one more. Any guesses? Toastmaster of the day, fellow Toastmasters, and my dear guest. I joined Toastmasters International 2 years back. Last year got an opportunity to attend District 98 Annual Conference at Silvassa, Gujarat, which sowed the seed in my mind to attend an international conference someday. कहते हैं अगर किसी चीज़ को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश पे लग जाती है. A famous dialogue from Shah Rukh Khan's movie Om Shanti Om, which translates to, when you set your heart on something, the entire universe conspires and works in its own mysterious ways so that you achieve it. Toastmasters International is an ocean. When you dive deep, you'll find the hidden gems and the pearls. Each and every club comes with its own signature style of conducting a meeting. I'm grateful to the platform full of opportunities Toastmasters offers. One of which, worldwide WhatsApp group in which one can access any club meetings across the globe without a passport or a visa. I got an opportunity to attend as many meetings of other clubs across the globe, imbibe the learnings in my home club thanks to a strong, supportive ex-com team. Once, I got an opportunity to attend Speech Placers Guild Toastmasters Club. I took some roles, and with time, we had a healthy collaboration and even had a joint meeting. Can you believe this? I received an invitation to attend TTAC District 105 Annual Conference at Jordan. Do you think it was a cakewalk? Not at all. To getting my long leave approved, solo female traveling to Jordan, so on so forth. I'm grateful to my dad's constant support and encouragement. My mom's learnings, which is embedded in my mind. A phrase which I heard during my childhood, I would like to share. It's a Tamil quote by Bhartiyar. அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமென்பதில்லையே உச்சி மீது வான் இடிந்து வீழ்ந்து போதிலும் அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமென்பதில்லையே. I have no fear over anything. Even if the sky above falls apart, no fear over anything. I did my research well, planning, organizing, and packing just in case extra bakarwadi, khakara, thepla. With a smile on my face, I boarded the flight and gazed through the windows. Each and every moment of my trip is nostalgic. I enjoyed, met like-minded people, meet friends for a lifetime, visited one of the 7 wonders of the world, Petra, scuba diving at Aqaba, toy train and hot air balloon ride at Wadi Rum, where Lawrence of Arabia was shot. Each and every moment was priceless. I made friends who, by the way, savored the bakarwadi, even though they found a little spicy. At the conference, I met the global speakers, to name a few: Mohammad Shukri, Kazan Nukul, Mohammad Murad, so on. The theme, Rise to Inspire, of DTAC District 105 Annual Conference kept me hooked throughout as an audience. The aura, the vibe, the energy, it can just be felt. I just don't have any words. It was just stupendous. Now you must be wondering, what is the fifth value I was recalling? Along with IRSE, integrity, respect, service, excellence, and I believe Vasudeva Kutumbakam. The world is one family, and I could feel that at Jordan. Why am I sharing this with you? Friends, grab the opportunities which is available at Toastmasters International. First, by attending own club meeting, other club meetings, district events like contests and conferences, and one day take that flight. The sky is the limit. Seize all the opportunities which is available. And pack with you integrity, respect, service, excellence, and Vasudeva Kutumbakam. Shukran. Thank you.